So just before we move into the calculator assume section, the sort of settings I'd have on my ClassPad before going into an exam. In main, I'd have cleared everything out. Downstairs, I'd have made sure I'm in standard mode, in real here, and in radians on the settings there. I'd have hit the settings up here, gone to basic format, hit default, but then changed number format to normal 2 to avoid scientific notation, and set. In my graph window, I'd have gone for the default graph scale here, also, if I get rid of that window, I've got my shift keys set up. So things like shift equals will give me solve, shift 7 will give me diff, shift 8 will give me approximate whenever I want to convert between fractions and decimals. So we're all good to go, and that's just a little setting. There's the E activity I should mention. So in the E activity, this one, methods units 3 and 4, you can grab a free copy from this website. And to get it into your ClassPad and for help with all these settings, we've got other courses on this site.